it through a sentence. Can you do that? That's the only way I can play this song, seriously. Cool? Alright, I've never had this on stage before. Alright, let's try this out. If it's not working, bro, we're gonna have to take a water break.
Landon, turn this on.
Hopefully, a couple of you know the words. I will try to join you. You guys started off. Yeah, I just need some. Let's go! I wish somebody would have told me if you want love, you gon' have to go through the pain. If you want love, you gon' have to learn how to change. If you want trust, you gon' have to give some away. If you want love, if you want love, go home. Moving so slow, I watch it go by. Look out the window on my bus ride. I've always tried to control it. In the end, that's what controls me. Maybe that's why I'm controlling. I wish somebody would have told me if you want love, you gon' have to go through the pain. Let's go! If you want love, you gon' have to learn how to change. If you want trust, you gon' have to give some away. If you want love, if you want love, God help us. Talking to the voices in my head, telling me it doesn't mean it's wrong because it feels right. I'm scared that one day when the time goes, laugh at the mind. A little fast. If you want love, you gon' have to go through the pain. It told me. If you want love, you gon' have to learn how to change. I wish somebody would've told. If you want trust, you gon' have to give some away. You gon' have to give. If you want love, you want love. If you want love, if you want love. Yeah, you guys are gonna have to wait a second, bro.
Did he just?
By the way, pulling your tongue does not make your hiccups go away.
Never a dull moment.
Okay. I can't wait to see this YouTube video. Did you guys hear me during that song? I was trying to yell. I was like trying to yell, "Let's go!" And it was like, "Yeah." Bro, this has been a problem, dude. I ate like a whole case of muffins yesterday, and ever since then, I've just been hiccuping for 2 days. Before the show, you guys should have seen me in my green room. I was like, "Hey, can you guys give it up for my team real quick for putting on the show?" Also, I want to thank every single person who came here tonight. You guys are amazing. To be able to come here, I've been playing shows in Phoenix for a long time. But to be able to come here and play for 5,000 plus people was pretty amazing, so thank you for that. So a couple years ago, I put out an album called Perception. Yeah. I want to thank you guys so much for supporting that record. It changed my life, seriously. Yeah. Growing up, I've been talking about this a lot on this tour. Growing up, I always had like somewhat of a dream of like being an artist, and I really had no idea what that meant. Which I kind of, talk about in the album, some of the things I'm dealing with, and I've been through a lot in the last couple years, but I just appreciate you guys so much for supporting the search as well. It means a lot to me. So. I say all that to say this next song is from Perception, so let's go.